Hi there, and today we are going to have a Squarespace maintenance mode tutorial. So having your website in a maintenance mode is a great way to prevent users from accessing your website. So this because maybe you are preparing for a big event or you are fixing some major bugs in your website. Either way, it is a great way to focus on fixing your website instead of letting users access it when it is not ready. So from here, I am in the Squarespace account dashboard, and then we just need to select a website that we want to use. So for example, I want to use this one. Just click go to website. And then from here, we can set up maintenance mode by doing two things. First is let's go to website, and then we will create a landing page for our maintenance mode. So click website, go to pages, and then we will create another page. So just click the plus button right here, click blank page, and then name the page into maintenance mode. And then click enter, and then we'll just wait for the website to create the page, and then we now have this maintenance mode. So let's delete this duplicate page, and then from here we will just add a section. So let's add a blank section right here, and then let's add a text, and then let's write in here coming soon. The website is in maintenance. More updates. And then right here, we'll change the text style into heading 1 so that it is bigger. Then we'll align it at the center. And then right here, let's adjust the size like that. And then for the site header, let's turn off the other elements. For example, this element right here. Oops. Let's click edit design. And then let's also add elements. Turn off the cart. And then remove the pages right here. So let's save first. Go to navigation. Show the pages. And then let's transfer the pages for now. Then from here, make the maintenance mode as the home page. And then now, whenever the users come to our website, they will be automatically redirected to this page. It will say coming soon. This website is in maintenance. Come back later for more updates. So that is one way to enable maintenance mode in your website. Another is that you can also use passwords. So let's go back to the home page here in Squarespace. And then let's go to settings. And then let's click site availability. So from here, just make your website password protected and then insert a password right here. And then that is it. You can publish this whenever you are using a paid plan in Squarespace. But after that, whenever your users go to your website, they will be redirected to this website, and then they will be also prompted to use a password. And then that is it. That is how you make your Squarespace website into maintenance mode. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.